So now let's see how we can work around with convolution matrix inside of GIMP. So if I were to go around and zoom in, you can see that the pixels right here are clear. This image right here is quite sharp. But let's say what I want to do is I want to blur it out in different directions. Then I can utilize convolution matrix. So to do that, I need to go around onto the filters menu right here, and then I need to go around over here onto generic. And over here you can see that convolution matrix is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then you can see that there's different convolution matrix that I can actually change the numbers of. So let's say, for example, if I were to go around and change out these numbers right here, then slowly the pixels start to change out. So if I were to go around and change these out right here, so you can go around and change these out, and you can see that there is a bit of changing out right here. So similarly, you can go around, change out just the red channel, or like this work around with the green channel and so forth, and you can see that the convolution matrix affects those channels right here. So I can go around and change this out, and slowly you can see that the image starts to get blurred out right here in different directions. Like for example, it's just like this right here, over here, just like this. So you can go around and change around different values right here. You can go around and then change around, let's say for example, like change around the green channel right here. You can see the before and after, and we can work around with the blue channel right here. And if there's any alpha channel, you can go around and work around with the alpha channel. If you change around the normalization, then you can see that that is what you have. You can change around and work around with the divisor right here to change around the colors around over here, just like this as well, and so forth. In the normalized section, you get the default colors around over here. You can go around and then choose around the different borders as well. So let's just go around and then change around, let's say for example, the normalize right here, and then you can go around and change around the different borders right here as you like right here. Subtle changes will be there. So let me just go around, change around the divisor right here, just like this, and that is what you have. And if I were to go around, change around the values right here, then it'll blur out different elements right here. You can work around with the blue channel as well, and then turn off the red channel, as you can see right here. So let's just go around on to normalize right here. So this is what you have, as you can see. So let's just go around onto different channels right here, and you can see that there are subtle changes. You can go around and then multiply this out. You can lighten this out, and then let's say resolve this out according to how you want, and you can work around with the opacity according to how you want as well. And then over here you can see the before and after by going around with the preview, and see the split view around over here as well to see the before and after of what effect is being applied. So once you go around and press OK, this will be applied right here. And that is how you can go around and then mix out pixels together and then blur out the images according to how you want, or make it softer by using convolution matrix. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.